As a professional photographer, what is the biggest gap in knowledge you've noticed in new and up-and-coming photographers?
So I think one of the biggest things that I've seen within the camera industry in the last couple of years is that because camera systems have gotten so good at low light composition, it's actually removed the necessity for a lot of beginner and intermediate photographers to really learn how to properly light their subjects.
So what's the best way for new and up-and-coming photographers to fill this gap in knowledge?
To be honest, it's firsthand experience. There really isn't a better way to learn how to properly light your subjects than by doing it in studio.
How can they find these studios?
So on May 16th, the Baldu Company and I are going to be launching a workshop series teaching photographers the fundamentals of portrait and editorial and fashion lighting.
What does the workshop series include?
So the first workshop includes a one-on-one portrait session where we will be teaching a specific lighting technique called Rembrandt lighting, which creates a really dramatic and captivating look for their subjects. And then the second workshop will actually be teaching a more advanced tutorial on fine art lighting for editorial and fashion photography. And what that includes is 5 different lighting techniques, light shaping techniques, that are the standard within the editorial and fashion industry. So sign up now because there are only 15 spots in each of these workshops. And I'm so excited to be able to teach you all of these techniques, which will help you propel your career forward.